Okay, so it is June 18th and we're on our way to Niagara Falls. I'm going to pick up my partner and then he's going to drive. It's not a good day. I don't know why, but it's raining and I'm very annoyed that it's raining. Then I checked the forecast and then it says we're gonna have rain for the entire weekend. And it's kind of sad because, you know, indoor dinings aren't open yet in Canada. It's just outdoor dining. So I don't know if we can get a nice, get nice patios to go out and get something to eat and all that. But
baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again. I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you.
we just checked in at Hilton. Just a view of the lobby.
Get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light. Walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before.
Hello.
It's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
Just a peek of what the room is like. This is our bedroom, her room. And the view. The falls. This view is nice because I'm seeing both sides of the falls. This is pretty to wake up to. Yeah. And then over there is where you see the light. That's Clifton Hill. Over there. Okay. Then her room as a jacuzzi. And let's see. No. Wrong button. There's supposed to be something that oh, takes it up. So you can be in a jacuzzi and still have a view at the falls. Nice. So this is our dinner. This is the view from my hotel room at night. That's the falls over there, and over there where you see the blue lights changing color to purple, reddish. That's the falls there. Yes, this is the view at night. Very pretty. The city that doesn't sleep. Yeah, so it's currently 11:23, almost 12. Everything is pretty much open. Good morning. It's June 19. I just woke up, and last night I asked my partner to help me take my makeup off, and this is the end result of it. You took all my eyelashes off. Look, there's nothing there. Anyways, so yeah. It's kind of foggy outside now, but we're planning to go out to have breakfast. So at Hilton we got some coupons thingy, so like dinner vouchers and breakfast vouchers. So I don't know what we're getting today, but we want to go out and get something to eat. Yeah, so that's my plan for today, and then maybe, you know, get into some adventure. So we're currently at Starbucks getting something to drink. We decided to wear matching Tommy Hilfiger today. Yep. And then we're gonna go have breakfast. We're having breakfast at an all-you-can-eat buffet. It is kind of messy, but I'll just show you what it looked like before. Let me see. Basically everything, hash brown sausage, whatever it is, cake, pancake, bacon, eggs, French toast, and bread. Yeah, so you know, I'm still outside my patio because we're still in lockdown.
Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again. So we can fly again.
We're entering the Queen Victoria Place gift shop. I'm just trying to look at souvenir to bring back for my sister. Hmm?
Yeah, I saw it sitting there and I thought maybe we'll come right back, but no, it's time to go.
So we finally decided. I'll take this necklace for my sister, it says princess, and this mug for my mom. Even though they don't say Niagara Falls, but I mean, as I said, I came here last year and I got them souvenirs Niagara Falls already, and I don't know what else we could do. We could get what I want.
You guys don't want it?
Yeah, so I'm definitely get this for
Necessity
experience.
today, that's for sure.
We walk back to our hotel room. I'm already tired. I can't bother and the sun hot. So that is our hotel. A better view of our hotel. We're staying at Hilton. And we're in the, they have north and south building, but we are in the north building. We are in the north building. Yes, it's north and south. So we're over here, I think, right? No room service, so it's a COVID time, so we have to be in our own computer.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking
We're at Ted. TGI Friday, but it's very full. Like behind me, it's very very full. So we're at the Kings. We just placed our order.
We're at TGI.
We're at the Kings. And this is my dinner for today. I'm having ribs and chicken. I love ribs. I really love ribs. This is my sangria. My first time trying white sangria. It's actually really good. I always take the red, but today I decided to take the white, and I don't regret it. Everything was good. Thank you. We're now at the great Clifton Hills. That's the sky wheel there. I've been seen from my room, so. Bailalo. Niagara Speedway. I mean, it's not all that. Like, you look fun, but it's not all that. So I'm not going on that today. The last time you want to go on it? Oh, because the last time we go, you never all that act. You just stupid, like really stupid. What you want if it's stay? I'm in a pull down bus. My boyfriend keeps troubling me about every move I pull down my clothes. Last night I wore a dress the same thing. But that's what happens when you have a big bum, okay? My bum is big, so my clothes does not sit. Alright? I need something easy with this, but easy with it now.
Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about
It is 5:50, like 6 a.m. and the sun is up. I can't see it. Today is June 20, I think. It's a Sunday. We're having breakfast at iHop. We got milkshake and scrambled eggs, French toast, sausage, bacon, and pancakes.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and